Chazzas World, me Chazza TJi. Hi guys, I hope you're all up there, and today we're doing a Lego. And you might be thinking, well, where's the Lego, Chazza? I will tell you in a sec. But this is not like your standard Lego you buy from the shops or buy from the Lego store, wherever you're buying it from. This is some great Lego, and I am really going to enjoy this. And it is Harry Potter Lego. I don't have much to say about this. This is Stan. This is Ernie. This is Harry Potter in the window just going, hey, I'm in the night bus. But if you watch the real film, I don't know how people sleep on that bus. It goes so fast, they're wheeling around like mad. I don't know how they sleep on that bus. Anyways, on the back we have, what do we have? We have, I think he's out the bus just looking at that. And you can swing that, you can take the top off, you can open that. And yeah, so I'm really going to enjoy this. So let's get into it. Welcome to Chazzas World with me, Chazza TJi. So guys, as I said, we're doing Harry Potter Lego with Stan, Ernie and Harry Potter. So I'm really going to enjoy this, so let's open it up. Open it up. There we are. Wow, it's massive. Two, that's three. Is there a second? I think they missed that one. This is one. Oh, there is two. There's two. So that's one. That's three. So I'm just going to place that over there. And that's two. So I'm going to place that there. And stickers. We don't really need them, so I'll just place them there. The box can go there. Oh, a book. Oh, it looks interesting. So let's do number one. Can you open? There we are. Right. I see your head. See Harry Potter's head. I see the head. I don't really see much. So I'm just going to open it and just stick it right here. Keep the little packets maybe in a pile here. So let's start. Right. The first thing we do. So it does look really interesting. So I'm just going to get into it. So we've got these pieces. So the first thing we need is Harry Potter's. Is there another head? No. But there is Harry Potter. I do see him. Harry Potter's head just went bye-bye. My trusty assistant dad behind the camera is going to give it to me. Thank you.
Harry Potter's lost his head.
Dun, dun, dun. Right, where are your hair? Where is your head? There's Ernie's body. I don't know where Harry Potter's legs is. They're like a brownish colour. They're in here. No, they're there. So all you need is Harry Potter's hair. And a wand. It looks like, yeah. So, there you are. There's your legs, Stan. So I think they're done. Now we just need his head and some hair. Hair, head. Where's the hat? Hat. There we are. So I'm gonna place that on like that. I think. Yep. Oh, if you look closely, so if you buy this or get it, there's a little scar. So that looks really cool. We're gonna move its head a bit because it looks a bit wonky. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna place that over there. So both of our bodies are done. So now we need the one, it looks like. It's very confusing. Okay, right, so I think all the pieces are in here. Are they? No, I don't think so. Are they in here? No, where are they? Are you in here? You in this thing, chest? No. Okay, I don't actually know where they are. I think they're in here. Yeah. So I'm going to build it and then start doing it. But the first thing I need to do is try and find it. Oh, there it is. I think. Okay. Let's place this back in here. It's going all over the place, but you know, we just have to deal with that. So I'm going to place it back in here. No, I'm not. I'm actually going to just place it apart. That might make a bit more sense to what I'm doing. There we are. There's one. Get out. Right. Get down there. Right. There is our Harry Potter. He has to hold a wand. Hold your wand. He just lost his wand. Give me a sec, guys, and I'll be back. Hi. Now I just need to move that forward a bit, and I am going to be with you. So you might have to bear with me while I try and get Harry Potter to have his wand, because he won't take it. Take it, Harry Potter. I don't know why he's not taking it. There we are, he finally took it. So I'm just going to place them to the side over there. Now we can finally get into it. Oh no, we can't. We have to build the chest. Is it? So now we have to build the chest. Don't know how this is going to go. Right there. Yes, now it opens. Does it go in it? I think you can place it in it if you want. But I don't know. Okay, now we need like this parcel. I think it's that. And then we need this letter. Yep, found it. Right, so I assume you can place it in here. Yes, I think you can. Yes, you can. It's quite fiddly to try and get it in, but I think eventually you can get it in. Yes, I did it. So it is optional that you can do it. It is a bit fiddly, but you can do it. Right, now I can actually get into it. Okay, so you can come and watching me while I do it, so let me. So guys, I forgot to give you a quick update, but I've done packet 2. So you have quite a lot done, you have the whole done to now. All we have to do is do the top, and then it's done. So we have the little dangly thing, I think it's what do you call it, a chandelier. I think Harry Potter is supposed to sit there, and he's supposed to like grab it, I think, and then like it's supposed to swing. But as you're moving it, look, I know you might not be able to see it, but if I just place it like that, look, as I'm moving, it kind of moves. But if I stop, or stop really quick, it kind of moves. So he doesn't have to, it's just your choice, but he can. Right, so I'm going to do packet 3, and you can watch me, and then I will tell you it's done. You'll probably notice, but come. Guys, I know I was just trying to check it out, I was just placing it in there, but the wrappers that I throw down here, if you're doing this at home, like me sitting on the table and throwing it down there, make sure you pick it up, because I pick it up. I don't just leave it there and then we go through videos and videos and it just piles up and piles up. No, we put it in the bin. So, or for you in America, trash. So when you're done with it, place it in the bin or trash, wherever you come from. So, I'll carry on. And so guys, it is done. So you can just open that. You can see, oh, Harry Potter fell out. Sit down, Harry Potter, because it might be a bumpy ride if you've watched the movie, because it goes insanely fast, and I don't know how the people sleep. But you're not done actually, I just realised, because we actually need to do the bed. So let's turn on to the next page, and let's do the bed, and then it'll be finished. So I will see you after that. So guys, this is the night bus complete. I'm going to turn it around slowly so you can look at it. Not too slow, but you know.
Let's come and get a closer look. Hold it up a bit. Wow.
It took me a really long time. Like for you it might be sped up, but for me it was like
in the video it'll be sped up, but
yeah, it was like an hour and a half, so it took a long time.
But that was a big Lego.
Yeah, but look, I'm just going to do something. If Harry Potter keeps on falling off, that's the trouble. Oh, Harry Potter lost his hair. If he keeps on rolling around and like you can place him up the top like here, but if he keeps on rolling around and you want him there, you can just take the bed, not break it, but you can just open it up and then just.
And look, there's even like a chandelier inside, a chair inside.
There we are. He's sleeping.
Ernie's in there.
Ernie's driving. The head.
Stands on the back.
The head's there.
Where is he? The shrunken head. Is he in there?
Yep.
Oh, yep. There he is.
And then you can just open this up. You have the newspaper. You have his chest. Oh, can you see? Look, there's all the goods. So it does take a while to try and place this back on. I don't know why. But, yep, I just did it actually. gonna do it as fast as it goes. Round, round.
It goes quite fast, doesn't it? You have to be careful. It just fly out your hand.
Like you're watching, and then I love the way when it comes to a stop, it's like that, and you're like, oh, this is a normal bus. It just round. You're like, that doesn't seem normal, and it's just mad. It's like round. It goes round corners like that, and it's just mad. So guys, I really enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, check in the link in the description below. Share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.